अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू आर फाइन। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 4.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 हमारे पास 1 ओवर x माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर इंटू x प्लस 1 बाय by partial fraction we get a over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 1 whole square plus c over x plus 1. Students, now multiply both sides by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1. We get 1 is equal to a into x minus 1 x into x plus 1 plus b into x plus 1 plus c into x minus 1 whole square. Now by taking x minus 1 is equal to 0, we get the value of x which is 1. Now put value of x is equal to 1 in equation 2, we get value of b which is 1 by 2. Now by taking x plus 1 is equal to 0, we get value of x which is minus 1. Now put value of x is equal to minus 1 in equation 2, we get value of c which is 1 by 4. Now from equation 2, which is 1 is equal to a into x square minus 1 plus bx plus b plus c into x square minus 2x plus 1. Multiplying a into inside, we get a x square minus a, and similarly here cx square minus 2cx plus c, and by rearranging and taking common x square and x, we get a plus c into x square plus b minus 2c into x plus b plus c minus a. Comparing coefficients of x square of both sides, we get 0 is equal to a plus c, and we know value of c which is 1 by 4, so a is equal to minus 1 by 4. Now we find the values of abc. Put values of abc in equation 2, we get 1 over x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 4 into x minus 1 plus 1 over 2 into x minus 1 square plus 1 over 4 into x plus 1. So question 6 complete हो चुका है. Hopefully आपको समझ आ गया होगा. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.